Hi everyone, this is Uvesbek. Welcome to VFX 101. What's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today we talk about Adobe new release. Yes, Adobe released Photoshop CC 2020. Let's start. In Adobe Photoshop CC 2020, you will find the many options. For example, go to the Windows menu and click Gradient. You will see the lots of gradients in Gradient panel. If you want to apply, simple unlock the layer and double click any gradient and click other gradient presets. Now you see the changes. Okay, let's talk about other features. For example, shapes. In shapes panel, you will find many other shapes. For example, leaves, trees, wild animal. You can use easily drag and drop. Next, we have some cool new style in the style panel, such as animals, fur, and natural. So these are the cool styles. Next, we have a different types of pattern in pattern panel, such as trees, grass, and water. So you can also use these pattern. Let's talk about main new feature in Photoshop CC 2020. You will find new tool in main toolbox, object selection tool. So this is a very cool tool for the human selection, human, animal, and insect selection. Simple select the rectangle and drag the rectangle on a image. You will see the selection will appear only the character, only the human character. And if you want to deselect some selection, simple select the lasso tool and press Alt key and select the area which you want to deselect. So it's really cool tool for selecting the human, animal, and insect. So I hope you like this feature. Let's apply this tool on a different image in a different way. Simple select the object selection tool and change the mode into lasso and select the main jacket. And if you want to add some selection, press Shift key and add the selection, and press Ctrl U for hue and saturation and change the color. Cool. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, share this tutorial and subscribe to VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you.